The State Advisory Committee meeting of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan (NYKS) SACYP was held in Shillong on November 24, 2020 to chalk out the NYKS Core Program Action Plan for the year 2020-2021 and to explore possible areas for convergence, collaboration of programs in the field and to provide suggestion for effective implementation of NYKS program. The meeting was chaired by the Minister Youth Affairs and Sports Meghalaya, Shri B. Lyngdoh, who is also the chairperson of the State Advisory Committee on Youth Programs. Speaking on the occasion, Shri Lyngdoh said that such meetings should be held on regular intervals to review all activities and implementation of programs and activities under NYKS Core Program to ensure that these programs reach the unreached and benefit the youth of the state. Urging all line departments to collaborate with the NYKS in organizing programs meant for the youth, the Minister hoped that these programs will enhance the skills and employability of the youth. During the course of the meeting, representatives from Line Department, National Social Service, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Indian Red Cross, Eco Clubs and others expressed enthusiasm to collaborate and involve in all activities of the NYKS to provide youth avenues to take part in the process of nation building as well as providing job opportunities and for the development of their personality and skills. The meeting was also attended among by the Director, Sports and Youth Affairs, Srimati W.A.M. Booth, State Director NYKS Meghalaya, Shri In Kwang Guang, representative from Agriculture, Health and Family Department, and Information and Public Relations.